Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be explaining all about waste management working model. So waste management working model in this, so we are trying to depict a working model that is going to tell us collecting the waste from the original place, from collecting the waste, then it is going to segregate the waste, like we're going to segregate metal, dry waste, plastic and wet waste in a different colored dustbins. Once we segregation is done, so we'll be sending across to different places like plastic and metal. We're going to send it for a recycle factory, and the wet waste, so we're going to send it to agricultural fields. There we're going to do a composting, and similarly whatever the things which cannot be recycled, so we'll be sending to the landfills. This entire process of collecting the waste and to segregation and to the disposal, the complete the management we are doing it for the waste, that we call it as a waste management working model. So now we are going to demonstrate how this working model really works from picking the waste to the final stage. The waste can be generated from any places like factories, individual houses, even apartments. So what the individual houses or apartment people they do is they will do their segregation, like they will keep it in a separate covers like wet waste, dry waste, something like that. From there onwards, we are going to collect those things into this truck, which is garbage truck, where we are going to collect everything into this garbage collection truck. So we'll collect all the different segregated items into this. Then this we are going to say, send it to the bigger segregation point here. So this is a bigger place where we are going to segregate and we are going to keep it in bigger baskets, which is a dustbin here. So we'll collect here all the things from the entire city and we'll put it in one place by segregating properly. So once this segregation is done, like we keep everything in a dry waste in a dry place and wet waste and plastic and metal, then we'll be doing one more cycle of transportation where all the wet waste we are going to carry. The wet waste, it could be vegetables, all these waste things, right? So that we are going to send it to the agricultural fields where they are going to convert this into composting. And later the composting fertilizers, they can use it for the plants for further growth. So that is the one side of the doing recycling the waste. And another place like plastic and metals, that those things are also we're going to recycle. How we are going to recycle is we're going to send it to the factory. There they'll convert that metal and plastic into a reusable items using those waste items. In that way, so we're going to recycle both plastic and metal by using the factories, and that is another side of the story of this waste management. And final things where there are certain things which cannot be recycled. Those things, those waste, will be sending it to the landfills. There we are going to put it into this landfill, so that this complete waste we are going to manage in this way. I hope you guys got a clarity how this entire process of solid waste management is going to work. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share it with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.